Hi, in this session we will see how we can deploy the LLaMA into EC2 instance. For that, first of all we have to log in into the AWS account, and I already logged in with the admin user. This is not my root user, so I create it to deploy LLaMA onto EC2 instance, and we will see step by step. So first step is, first of all we have to launch instance. I am clicking on this launch instance button and I am giving this name, which is the LLaMA EC2, and we will use the Amazon Linux machine type, and scroll down, and here we have to use the M5 X large machine. Scroll down, and we have to configure the storage. Recommended is we have to go till the 32 GB. We have to create a key value pair. I am choosing the RSA and .pem key. We have to provide a name here, LLaMA EC2. Clicking on create key pair. It will download a .pem key. I am storing in my local, which is the LLaMA EC2. It is downloaded, and now we can click on the launch instance here. It will take a couple of seconds to create a EC2 instance. Then we can go into the instances, clicking on refresh. Now my LLaMA EC2 instance is running. So we can click on the instance ID, and even you can go here. We can click on this connect button. We have to provide the username here, EC2 user. I am clicking on connect. Now you can see our Amazon Linux 2023 is live. We can run the basic commands like ls pwd. Now we have to install Docker here. To install the Docker, we have a reference document. You can go into this tab, and there are a couple of commands which we have to run. I'm copying this command, pasting here, just running. It will take a couple of seconds to run. Update the yum. Yum is a package manager. It will help us to download the different libraries or binaries. Next command will be this is for the Amazon Linux 2, but in our case we are using the Amazon Linux 2023. So we have to copy this command, go back to the console, pasting again, pressing enter. It will again take a couple of seconds to run. Then we can run this command, start the Docker service. To start the Docker service, we can just directly copy this command, go back to the terminal. Yeah, it is completed, you can see, and we can paste the next command and pressing enter. So redirecting to the bin systemctl start docker.service. We can go to the reference document and copy the next command is permission denied. So we will use sudo for our rest of the commands, and we already have a document with us to install Docker, and after installing Docker we can pull the Ollama image, and inside the Ollama we have to run the further commands. So every command should be prefixed by the sudo, and I'm just right clicking it, copying it, and typing here sudo, and then paste the command. It will pull the Ollama. It will again take couple of seconds. The docker pull command ran successfully. Going back to the reference document, copying the next command, Coming back to the terminal, typing sudo, pasting that command. So our container is live now. To go inside the container, we have to run this docker exec command, copying it, typing sudo, pasting here. So now we are into the container. Now we can run the commands one by one. So this command will clearly say like we will pull the Ollama 3.2 1 billion, but instead of it we will pull the Llama 3 8 billion and pressing enter. It will again take couple of seconds to download. Yeah, our Ollama ran successfully, and I'm going to the reference document again. To run it, we have to copy again this command, paste here. Instead of llama 3.2, we have to run the llama 3 8 billion, pressing enter. So here we can send the message for help. Our Ollama is in running state now. So we have to go into the security first and click on this security group icon, and we have to open it into the another tab. So here it is, and here we can edit inbound rules, and to edit we have to add another rule. Here custom TCP we have to provide, and the port will be the 11434. Then you can click on the save rules. You can clearly see Ollama run, send a message. We can send a message here. Who is the PM of India? So it starts printing the response. Yeah, he answered it correctly, and now we can do another questions. Capital of USA. Washington DC. Yeah. So it means it starts giving us the answer. Now we have to check is it publicly accessible or not. To check it, we just have to copy the public IP, open another tab, paste here, and :port we have to provide 11434. Yeah, it clearly says Ollama is running. So this was our end-to-end part to deploy the llama onto the EC2 machine. And after doing this, you can spin down your EC2 instance. Thank you.